The painting by Odium Art Club to His Excellency Honorable Governor of Orissa.
Jai Prabhu Jagannath. And it is very fascinating, you see. Rather, it is divine to see the children respecting their grandparents. Altogether a new experience for me. Never seen such a thing. Moved me, overwhelmed me. The students of present India, rising India, shining India, divine India, glorious India, all embracing love of India, Mother India. And if the sons and daughters of Mother India are sitting over here, but Mother India is not a country or a nation of rivers and mountains. It's a living goddess. And people have sung songs like anything, you see. Tvam hi Durga dash praharana dharani amalam kamalam sushimitam Devi bhuvan manmohini neel sindhu jal dhaut charantal Adi Shakti Mahamaya. The daughter of Stalin, Svetlana, comes over here and makes a courtesy to spend her last days of life in India. Alphasa, 6-year girl from France, comes over here. A disciple becomes she of Maharishi Aurobindo, and my country adores her, Shrima. Margaret Noble of England comes over here, and she becomes my Bhagini Nivedita, a disciple of Vivekananda. So my country is not a country of rivers, mountains and the inhabitants. It's a living goddess. Therefore I can say emphatically, and as far as your school goes, the presentation on aesthetic and spiritual grounds makes what I say, it proves that we are the children of immortal bliss, we are the heirs of immortal bliss, we are the divinities on the earth, we are the gods in different disguises, divine in different disguises, we are a deity in slumber. And if we are a deity in slumber, because we are the sons and daughters of this Mother India. Therefore, we contain a Superman as a potential in us. We breathe infinity, soar into eternity, pure consciousness that of a child we are. We are in the east, we are in the west. We are over and above, below the earth, above the earth, on the earth. Limitless, entire space, boundless space we are. That is what I have seen. Just I have entered and your programs have been launched, you see. You are praying. A prayer is nothing else but a merging of the soul with the super soul. आत्मा का परमात्मा से मिलन होता है. You become an integral part of the cosmos. Then you are the God itself. No other country in the world recognizes this fact. They just recognize the fact that we are nearer to God. But in my country, we are not only nearer to God, but the God is with me. The God is in me. And the last stage is, I am the real God. मैं ही प्रभु जगन्नाथ हूँ. This is something different, that the mother, the goddess mother, has taken the form of Prabhu Jagannath as far as this Odisha is concerned. She can assume any forms. She has the power to assume any form. Therefore, as far me is concerned, but the problem is that man's essential confusion is consisting of the fact that he considers himself to be limited for those aspects of his being that he can perceive with his physical senses. But at the same time, he is bewitched by the universe, giving a message. The universe is giving him or her a message, conveying a message to him that there is a unity behind it. You are an integral part of me. Therefore, the object of education is the merging of the human consciousness with the cosmic consciousness. And I have seen that with my own naked eyes, that your programs and your whatever you have done and whatever you are going to do, this is a place, not a school, it is a place which I would call, it is a place of emotional sensitivity. It is a place of awakened enlightenment. It is a place of resurrection. It is a place where the consciousness comes to the fore. And you will excuse me, I won't say you are the future of India. You are the present India. In Jesus you appeared. In Muhammad you revealed. Newton you had been. Franklin you were. You are the Rama and you are the Krishna yourself. You are the Prabhu Jagannatha itself. Your powers cannot be defined by anybody. But as far as the other things are concerned, I have just seen innovation. Diversity feeds innovation. And innovation breeds success. As far as the programs are concerned, and so many programs, the FM, etc., APE, etc., and the other social services which you are doing that have been launched, it appears very much that the suffering of the other has become my suffering. The fever and frets and fumes of the others have become my fevers and frets and fumes. ना तो हम कामये राज्यम न स्वर्गम न पुनर्भवम कामये दुख तप्तानाम प्राणिनामार्थ नाशनम. Neither scepter nor crown, neither heavens nor rebirth, neither pelf nor power, neither name nor fame. I just wish, pray to the Almighty that He should fill my coffer, my pocket, fill me with the love, laughter, splendor for others who have never been loved, who have never been respected, who have never been protected, who have never been reached. Let their sufferings be my sufferings. Let the world be redeemed at my cost, Bhoma Bhai. And Lord Krishna, Prabhu Jagannath, in Bhagavad Gita says, Indriyani prani ahu, indriya bhaya param manaha, manasuta parabuddhayo, buddhe paratastusa. Your powers are beyond intellect. You cross, you transcend goodness, passion and ignorance, tamas, rajas, sattva. You people are, the people, the students are, in fact, in the Vasudeva state, Kalatit. And therefore, Vivekananda says very proudly, rise the soul, conquer time and death. You can. Yes, even a small seagull tries to fly across the sun. The eagle doesn't seek any shelter whenever there are rains. She crosses the clouds, you see, and goes higher and higher to love clouds. We are the children of the Almighty. We are the manifestations of the Almighty. Ishwar ans jiva vinashi. Mamevansho jiva loke jiva bhute sanatana. If a child of a minister, MLA, or the Prime Minister is so proud of his being or her being to be a son or daughter of a Prime Minister, but I am the son and a daughter to Prabhu Jagannatha, who makes infinitely many Prime Ministers and infinitely many Presidents of India. So I am proud to be the son and daughter of that Lord Prabhu Jagannatha. Well, this land is of Virti, Virag, Vihar, Vivek, Vishwas and Viyog. This land is, in fact, assimilating in itself the whole of the universe in itself, in its bosom. Pure ka pura Brahmanda Udisa mein hai. I never wish to imitate anybody. I would like to be an icon in myself. Ap deepo bhav. सूर्य के समान चमकना है तो सूर्य के समान आइए जलना सीखें। और मुझे लगता है जलने का काम, चमकने का काम आपका विद्यालय कर रहा है। बहुत बहुत साधुवाद, धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, वंदे उत्कल जननी।